So, hello everyone. Today we are going to do the question which is maximum product subarray. So, let's see what is the question saying. Mm, So, the question says something like that. Product of array. Wait, I guess I gave the wrong question. No, no. This one we are going to do maximum product subarray. Sorry for that. The question says that we are given an integer array of nums and we need to find subarray such that the largest product and return the product. The test cases are generated so that the answer will fit in 32 bits integer, right? So note that the product of an array with a single element is the value of that element. So it's saying that if there's an array have a single element only, then the answer for the maximum possible product is that element only, right? So let's try to solve this using our brute force method. What I'll do is I can declare their integer answer, which is integer dot minimum value, right? And another product equals to 1, right? Since it is saying about subarrays, we need to create as many possible subarrays that are possible and then find their product. Like one subarray is this, another is this one, another which could be from 2 to -2, and another could have been -2, I mean -2, 2 to 4, right? So these are the all possible subarrays having zeroth element. After that, what we can do is we can create an array, subarray, which starts from first element. So this is the first subarray of first element. Or we can do is this second. Or this is another subarray. Since first element is also done, we can also do from the second element. This is the first subarray from second element. And this is the second subarray from the second element. And this is the final subarray. And if the last element we talk about, then this is the third element. And the maximum possible subarray it can have is this one. Okay. So what do you think it's being done by? It's using two pointers, right? Two pointers which are traversing in a double loops. So let's try to solve this using the brute force method. So, right. I will be running the outer loop which is I equals to 0. From stop length I plus plus. Yes. Inner loop will go from bracket j equals to I plus 1. My j is less than nouns dot length j plus plus, right? Now, as soon as the we reach only outer loop, what we'll do is we declare product equals to numbers of I, right? So now our product is having the outermost element. So j is I plus 1. What we'll do is product is equals to product into nums of j. Simple. And after that, what we'll do is we will declare our answer equals to maximum of both of them and the dot max of A and S from X, right? After the both the loops end, what we'll do is we again declare our product is equals to 1 so that it restarts from every first loop, right? And there is one more condition written here. If the product is having single element, then the value of product will be this that element only, right? Let's handle that one also. So bracket more than 1. What we'll do is um, nums of 0. Now let's try to run our solution. Wait, missing somewhere. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's not max, it's oh, it has passed both the test cases. So let's try to submit this. So okay, around 161 test cases have been passed, and it has stuck on this one. What I was thinking about this test cases, if bracket sums of I 0, what we'll do is product is equals to 1. Now let's try to submit this. Again, it's not passing. Let's try to submit this using the optimal approach. What is the optimal approach that I am thinking is, what if we have you see, if there are two elements which are negative, then our answer will be, suppose this 2 was also -2, then our answer would have been P product of all the elements, right? But it is not the case. Therefore, if our array contains only one negative element, what we'll do is we'll try to find the suffix product and I mean fixed product and suffix product. The fixed product will be going from front to back till there is a negative element, and suffix product will be going from end of the index to forward, and maximum of both of them will be returned. Suppose this was only 2 and 1, the multiplication would have been of this prefix 2, and multiplication of this suffix would have been 4 only, and 4 is greater than this if there was 2 comma 1, and we would have returned there 4. uh, I was talking about uh, test case which was looking like something that like that 2 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma 4. We would have taken this suffix product instead of this prefix product, right? So let's try to code this up to move this drawing. Let's code by intuition, which is something like that. Yes, we are declaring our answer as integer dot minimum value. And there will be two products like prefix 1, suffix is also 1, right? Since for factor I equals to 0, I less than nums for length plus plus. If we come across a number which is simple, what we do is bracket number of 5. We will be again declared to 1. Suppose we are going to declare to 1. So that only maximum is stored in suffix and prefix. That all the elements are not made 0 by multiplication of 0, right? Let's scroll it up. The equals to, that's right, prefix first. The 5. The equals to sub is is, dot length minus 1 minus I, right? And our answer will become for x of ANS. Math. So, right, let's try to submit this. Uh, so- since it has passed all the test cases, example test cases, let's try to submit this. Okay, it's again should have written here if sub is equal to 0, if three is equal to 0, three is 1. If sub is equal to 0, sub will be 1. I'll just try to run this. Let's try to summon this. So since it has passed all test cases, let's end our lecture here. Thank you for watching.